Hi you guys. So today I got my Lush Kitchen subscription box right here, and it's interesting. It says unbox mystical treasures. Mystical treasures. So this should be interesting. As some of you know who've been on my blog, and by the way, hello Switzerland. Hundreds and hundreds of you have been on my blog the last week, and I just wanted to say hello. And so, as some of you know who have been on my blog, I was kind of confused about what's going on with the Lush products for March, the subscription box and other things, because in addition to the subscription box, Lush also had some exclusive items on their website. Golden egg shower gel and rainbow soap, and also Lush had a separate gift set box which cost the same amount as a subscription box, which had some retro items like Bon Bomb, Bath Bomb, and such. And so that's why I was confused. But once I looked at the site again and read everything, then I was able to figure out what was going on. And so I didn't get to buy the exclusives because I didn't know that they were there. And then as far as the retro items, I didn't buy those either because I've tried those multiple times throughout the years, and I didn't have the money to buy all of these things, so I figured I would just spend it on the subscription box. So today I'm going to open it and we'll see what's in here. Okay, so now I'm going to open it. And ooh, interesting. Okay. So nice. So these are all for the Chinese New Year, and this year is the year of the dragon, and these are the products. And if you see, they're all sort of red and gold, or orangey red and gold. So let's see here. This was so unexpected. It says ignite your inner dragon. It says this year of the dragon, let sparks fly with legendary scents to awaken your most powerful, bold, and authentic self. Take on the year with fearless fervor and a fiery range of bath and shower treasures, bursting with spice, citrus, and earthy enchantment. And it's got this really cool dragon pattern here. Alrighty, and ooh. So this one, I've had this one before. They sold it for Christmas one year, I believe. It's called Fireball. I love the look of this. I did see some of you on my blog looking at Fireball, so now I know why. And, oh, okay, this smells really good. This smells really, really good. Now, as far as I remember, here, let me turn this so you can see me. So as far as I can remember, this used to be made with the Lush Cinder's scent, Cinder's bath bomb, and Cinder shower gel. So let's see, because I remember Cinder's had like orange oil in it and some kind of spices. So it says here it has orange oil, cinnamon, zeolite clay, mustard powder. Yeah, so those are the Cinder's ingredients. So I know a lot of you like the Cinder's scent. So pretty. I can't wait to see what this looks like in the tub with all of the bath art. And so, okay, next. What is this? Ooh. It's the shower gel, Cinder's shower gel. It's such a pretty color, right? And this has cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, pumpkin seed oil, and Brazilian orange oil. So it smells just like the bath bomb. Yes, okay. Let's see what else we have here. So, oh, actually something. Oh, this is awesome. This is a bauble bath melt. And now I know why you guys were looking at my bauble bath melt page. A long time ago, a few years back, Lush UK were selling about 6 or 7 bauble bath melts in different colors and scents as an exclusive, one day only kind of a thing. And I bought all of them, and I took pictures of them and the scents and everything, so they're on my blog. And this one, I'm not sure. I don't think this one was one of those. I think this is a new one specifically made for this box. I could be wrong. Let's see here. It just says bath oil. It doesn't say bauble bath melt like Lush used to call. So it says that this dragon, it's called Dragon's Temple. And it says hold under warm running water and then set aside to dry until the next use. You can also break off a piece or drop the entire bath melt into the water. It's made with muru butter, fair trade shea butter, sunflower wax, lime oil, black pepper oil, fir needle absolute, and fragrance. So interesting, lime, black pepper, and fir needle extract. And I don't know if you can see it, it's got some lovely silver sheen on it, on the top. So it looks like in the back. So it's so pretty. It does have, I can smell the fir needle kind of note, and then the black pepper is subtle, but I do smell it. And the lime isn't real present, but you can tell it's in there because it just sort of brightens things up just a little bit. So yes, so I can't wait to use that. And then, this is so gorgeous. This one is called Karma Dragon. Karma Dragon. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. Look at this dragon. It's orange and gold. Oh my God. He's got his little ears and his, it's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. And it has that lovely, lovely Karma fragrance from Lush, which is made with orange oil, pine oil, and patchouli. Lush has been selling the Karma fragrance since, I don't know, 1999 or something like that. They've made a lot of products with this Karma scent. Oh my goodness, this is almost too pretty to use, right? So gorgeous. Oh, that's so pretty. There's another one. Oh, okay. Ooh, ooh, oh. Oh my God. Okay, this one's called Dragon Legend. It's a bubble bar. Oh, and it has the most divine scent. And it also has gold. So pretty. Wow. Wow. Let's see here. This one, it says hold under the tap as you run your bath and splash the water around to create bubbles. And then you can set it aside and dry for reuse. It says fragrance, jasmine absolute, and ylang-ylang oil, and dragon fruit powder. It's a dragon, it has dragon fruit powder. Oh my God. Jasmine and ylang-ylang. You know, I'm just gonna say, anything that Lush makes that has jasmine and ylang-ylang in it, and that combination, I love. And this is no exception. I just love the scent of that combination. So let's put everything together here in the box. I really like this theme. Not only is it a theme of sort of fiery things for the Year of the Dragon, Chinese New Year, but it's also color coordinated in all oranges, and then we have these sort of nice ingredient and play on words. This one has dragon fruit, for instance, and I'm just so enamored of this box. And here it is, right? Actually see it. As far as I'm concerned, I think the products that I like are, like I said, I've already tried these a couple times throughout the years. I have never tried these. A couple or three of these are exclusive to this box. Lush has never made them, and I think these are definitely my two favorites, the soap and the bubble bar. And then this is also gorgeous. So yeah, so as I was saying at the beginning of this video, yeah, I missed out on the Lush Golden Egg Shower Gel and the rainbow soap. However, I already have the rainbow soap. It's just called something else, as I recall. Over the Rainbow, I think is what it's called. And they sold this soap, I would say maybe like 8 years ago, something like that. And it's absolutely gorgeous smell. So, but I am disappointed I didn't see the shower gel. And then also there was one more thing that I was so disheartened that I didn't see, and that was the Green Man bath bomb. Now, as some of you know, I've got all the bath bombs that I've ever tried in either the Lush wiki, the lushpbworks.com wiki, or my blog, lushalot.com. And as you can see, I have all the old ones going back to the 90s, but what I don't have, the only one that's missing, is the Green Man bath bomb. So I'm heartbroken that I missed that. So as some of you already know, there's been a change with the Lush Kitchen subscription boxes, in that we no longer vote for the products. Out of 9 products, we no longer vote to have the 3 or 4 that got the most votes made and included in the subscription box. So they're just doing, I guess, themes now, and kind of more arbitrarily chosen and not voted from by us. So as you can see, the last couple of subscription boxes definitely have a theme. And you know what? I like that. I mean, initially I was kind of like, I was bummed out because they took away the voting. However, having themed boxes and still have exclusives that I've never tried makes me happy. So yeah, that's about it. And what I'm doing is I am adding and updating a whole bunch of things for my blog. I've made demo videos for, let's see, 4 or 5 of the Valentine's products, and that's on my blog. I have a big Valentine's 2024 page, and I list all the products, and I've got 4 that I've used already, and I've got a box full of other ones that I'm going to be using and recording video for you of, etc. And then also I've ordered the Mother's Day products from Lush UK, and my friend Tammy was able to get those, pack them in a box, and send them to me. So thank you, Tammy. So it's going to take a little while to get here, but when they do, I'll be able to do an unboxing video and show you each of the products, describe what they smell like, how to use them, etc., like I do every time I do an unboxing, every holiday. So I'm looking forward to that as well. And the Valentine's stuff, which I just absolutely adore the Valentine's things. I think Valentine's is my favorite Lush holiday and always has been, even more than Christmas, to be honest. So, all right, well, that is the video, and thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye-bye.